How to create image using Gemini AI. Now in order to create image using the Gemini AI, you need to open Gemini app or Gemini's website from Google. After that, connect to your Google account and you will see a bunch of options, and one of them is create image, which will directly be shown in here. Tap to create image option and you can select a style to create image. For example, let's select Anima's world, and after selecting that, you can describe the prompt of the image which you would like to create. Let me do it real quick. You just simply need to write some stupid prompt in here. You can also write smart prompt if you can, and after writing down your prompt, tap to send button, and after sending the prompt to Google Gemini, it will start creating the image that you have described in your prompt, and this way you can very easily create an image using Gemini AI. I hope this video have been informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.